It's time to hit the beach. Amelia Island is Florida's northernmost barrier island and stretches for 13 beautiful miles. With over 40 public beach access points, there's ample opportunity to soak up some sun. Today, we're at Main Beach Park, and the water is looking extra refreshing today. Main Beach Park is Amelia Island's most popular beach access point because it has so much to offer. Excuse me, editor friend, can you kindly put up the amenities graphic for these lovely people? And yes, this is a dog-friendly beach. Just make sure they are on a leash. Like this good boy right here. Oh my goodness, you're so cute. And this little guy, who's a good puppy. What makes this area so special is that it's known for its fossils. That's right, shark teeth. You can spend endless hours on this beach searching for the elusive teeth from our ferocious fishy friends. Hey, someone is looking for some right now.
Fernandina Beach is great looking for shark teeth. My family and I, we love coming out and looking for shark teeth. We find huge snaggletooths, sand sharks, and if you're lucky, you might find a megalodon.
Well, would you look at that? She found one.
Once you find a really good one, then you're hooked, and you find yourself coming after school, after work, checking the tides.
The best place to start looking is at the water's edge during low tide.
You want to come have fun? You need to be here.
Thanks, Tara. All right, my turn to find a tooth. No, not seeing any. Nope, nada. Aha! Found one. This is definitely not the exact same shark tooth that Tara just found. If you're wondering whether this sand is good for making sandcastles, it is. See? Just gonna take the shovel and pack this in real good. Boom. Not perfect, but it'll do. And now we destroy it. Ah! Be careful though. The annual nesting season for sea turtles is May through October, so watch where you are running, because you might run into a nest. If you need a little break from the beach, why not putt-putt? Oof. Yikes. Bad, just bad. Not good. Can I get a little movie magic over here? There we go, hole in one. Whew, what a day.